The gym membership you haven't used since February. The series you hate but keep watching because you're already 6 episodes in. The renovation that doubled its budget and you keep pouring money in because stopping now would mean it was all for nothing. If you've ever felt that heavy little voice saying, "I can't quit now, I've put too much in," that's not commitment, that's not discipline, that's a glitch. One of the most expensive glitches your brain runs. And here's the surprise. The smarter you are, the harder it bites. Picture this. You paid $15 for a movie ticket. 20 minutes in, you know it's terrible. You check your phone, you shift in your seat. The rational move is simple. Leave, go for a walk, save the evening. But you stay. Almost everyone stays. Here's the thing. The $15 is gone either way. Leave or stay, the money doesn't come back. The only thing still on the table is your next 90 minutes. And yet your brain refuses to waste money that is already wasted, so it spends your evening on top of it. Psychologists call this the sunk cost fallacy. A sunk cost is money, time, or effort you've already spent and can't get back, and your brain will do almost anything to avoid admitting it's gone. 1. Your brain counts backwards. A good decision only looks at one thing. What happens next? What does this cost from today? What does it give me from today? But your brain doesn't work like that. It looks back at everything you've already poured in, and it treats quitting as losing all of it. Daniel Kahneman showed we feel losses about twice as strongly as gains. So walking away doesn't feel like a smart move. It feels like a punch. 2. This trap eats money quietly everywhere. The yearly subscription you keep because I already paid for it, so you order from it more, not less. The stock that dropped 40% and you hold it, not because it's a good company, but because selling makes the loss real. It'll come back, you say. That's not a strategy, that's a sunk cost talking. The career you stopped enjoying years ago, but 10 years in, leaving feels like burning 10 years. What's the thing you keep paying for just because you already paid for it? Drop it in the comments. I read all of them. So here's the one question that breaks the spell. Whenever you feel that I've put too much in to quit, pause and ask, if I were starting from zero today, would I buy in? Would you sign up for this gym today? Buy this stock at this price today? Choose this career today? If the answer is yes, stay with your whole heart. If the answer is no, the past doesn't change that. The money is gone either way. The only thing you actually control is what the next year of your life is spent on. Quitting isn't losing what you invested. Quitting is refusing to lose more. The bravest financial move almost nobody talks about is walking out of the bad movie. The ticket is gone. The evening doesn't have to be. If this hit the like. It tells me to make more of these. New walk every Sunday.